So to make this Fafnir be a real Fafnir, we will require some rubber, and this rubber I got from not your mine. That was a nice joke. Anyways, so you got this rubber from the pen. So these are rubber from the pen grips or mechanical pencil grips, so which would be pasted on here. So these are almost four, and I cut them. So these were like this. Okay, no, it's like this. Yep, three. Yep, that's right. They were three grips, and I cut them into 9. So now you would require the cardboard like this in this shape, and okay, you would require to paste it like this, and then in the end you will paste the rubber on the side, which I will show you in a minute. Okay, let's paste it. Fafnir is ready. So this is our Mirage Fafnir ready, and you know what, it have the real rubber just as I told you, and I forgot to click the pictures and make video of the 2S chassis, but I had clicked the image of it. So it have two modes. So this is the first mode where it would be more orient to attack and stuff, like it have all the main points are here, so it can attack from this portion, but when you move it little bit like this, then you can notice that some contact points has been exposed, by which it could spin still better, because there's first there were 3 contact points for spin steel, now there are 6 contact points for spin steel, or even though these don't have rubbers, but these are really good counterparts. And I didn't make the nothing driver, so it's kind of butchered like Hasbro, but anyways, it's not like that it I cares or something. So, and it could be a good hand spin, so please, this is my first hand. Oh my god, that was my first hand spin. Oh yeah, that looks so good, man. I put some Fevicol in it to shine, because that's my some. Okay, so now let's do some test battle and some test spins, boych. And one update, I put this paper roll so that it can have a little bit more weight, and it looks good on it, so yeah, that's why. So first we will do spin from a launcher. Okay, so 3 2 1, let it trip. Oh my god, that looks so beautiful, right? And yeah, that's a stamina Beyblade, just on one place. Okay, so because it's a Fafnir, we will also see that can we do a good hand spin. So now this have these outer part exposed. Let's do a hand spin. So okay, that was pretty nice hand spin. A good hand spin, but not like my Vanish Fafnir. You can see the size difference between the DB Beyblades and the Sparking Beyblade. They are almost same, but see the thickness of the rubber. So it also have a real rubber, but it don't have any sort of gimmick or mode like this one have this mode. But its hand spin is so great. Just see this. Rubber versus rubber. Anyways, it have a god like life or death LED, but it don't have LED. So yeah, let's do first test test battle against Acid Nubius Yell Zephyr. So 3 2 1, let it Rip. Oh my god, what the? Oh, where's the lid? It busted. It literally busted. Oh yeah, that's so good, man. That's a good sign. It's cool. It looks really cool. The Fafnir, the dragon looks so good. Then this. Yeah. Which you like, a DB Fanish Fafnir or a sparkling Mirage Fafnir? Oh, that's a stamina finish. I know. It's a stamina boy against Jet Vibron versus Mirage Fafnir. 3, 2, 1, let it. Okay, please Mirage, please win, please win, please win. Okay, yeah, please, please, very good, very good. You are going good, you are going good. Ah! Against Satan. Oh, the universe driver. I know, universe driver is always such a great deal. Brave Valkyrie Rashad version. This is my favorite Valkyrie ever. 3, 2, 1, Brave Valkyrie. 3, 2, 1, Mirage Fafnir. Wait, who win, man? Guys, tell me in the comment section. And next would be variant Lucifer. Okay, yeah, variant Lucifer. Just see my awakened Mobius, okay? You never seen on the YouTube channel. Okay, 3, 2, 1, look it. Just see how much it moves. Okay, I'm not going to launch you first. 3, 2, 1, let it trap. 3, 2, 1, get it trap. Oh, what?
Don't believe it!
Kidding.
It's just as I expected.
What? Is it really won that match? No, I don't think so. I don't think so. I'm doing it again. I'm doing it again. I don't take it. I think, man, Mobius is really good. Ouch. Mobius is really good against the opposite spin. Guys, I just remember, should I do it against my greatest and my best Beyblade? This could even beat the every Beyblade that I have right now. Should I make a marathon medal? That's the best idea. Should I make a marathon medal? I will post a poll and just click on the poll or select your choose. Should I make it a marathon battle or not? With my against all the Beyblades that I have. Oh yeah, I have a so great idea. So you want to get it? Oh my god! Please, Fafnir, please win. Please, Fafnir, please win. Oh, the LED, boys. The LED helps him. I did like the video so much that I'm going to subscribe. These are your lines. Okay, just say. I'm listening. Yeah, fine, very good, very good. And for those who didn't said, you are not good guy, you are bad guy. Okay guys, thanks for watching and bye bye.